LEASH, the guys out of Brunswick, Georgia.
Okay, y'all, so y'all see this bad truck, bad drive and everything. So look, today we're here with
Jimmy Griner.
All right, Jimmy, can you just tell us a little bit about the build, about the truck and everything?
It's a LS OBS truck. I got a 5.3 stock, bottom end, stock heads. It's got a turbo on it.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So okay, how many pounds of boost y'all running today?
We just made 16 that last pass.
16. Okay.
We're trying to learn the combinations, all new to us, so we're trying to get it all sorted out.
Okay, and look, y'all, for the record, Jimmy builds motors. You got a shop?
Yes, sir. Style and Performance Racing.
Style and Performance. Can you throw the number out there?
229-244-2748.
This Albany, Georgia?
Valdosta, Georgia.
Valdosta. Okay, so y'all definitely hit him up. This awesome truck. You built the entire truck too, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
cage work, paint, body, everything.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Amazing work. And you said you did the paint too?
Yes, sir.
So you literally.
Yes, sir. Got another one. There's 2 more sitting down in that Ford pickup truck sitting on our pits.
The black one?
The black one, yes, sir. And I built that truck from the ground up, and the black Chevrolet truck next to it, I built it.
Man, hey y'all, look, he's sick. That's why we're doing the special on it. This amazing work, amazing paint and everything. So, Jimmy, we're gonna stay tuned in with you and Trevor and everything.
Yes, sir.
I just appreciate you giving me the time and opportunity.
Thank you.
All right. All right, so y'all see it. He did the paint, everything. This my buddy Trevor Loken, man. He take pictures, man. Sick photography and everything. Drag racing. So he built the entire truck. So I'll show y'all everything. It's a bad ride. My buddy Trevor. Y'all look him up. I'm gonna throw Trevor page on here too. Like I said, he's sick with the pictures, so y'all look him up. Search him on Facebook. Y'all see that in there. This is another one he built. Big block Ford. Full charge. It look like a F2.
But then again, it's
nah, maybe it's not an F2. I don't know what it look like.
so I'm thinking
It's a beautiful piece right here. Alright, y'all. This is Trevor. Once I get a good look at the work, it's amazing job. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the other one he built. Like this thing's sick.
no, CO2 is on.
Pro Toys. Look at that, still got the AC on it. AC still hooked up. Sick. And Jimmy built all 3 of these trucks. He built all 3 of them, so it's one clean piece. So y'all definitely gonna want to hit him up for some work located in Valdosta. So definitely gonna want to give him a call.
I'm about to try this right now. Here's the way you are.